Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a special nighttime pouring episode. HoA and I had a serious camera malfunction when we thought we were shooting this one. So this is a 24 by 30 inch canvas that I poured probably 15-20 minutes ago, and unfortunately it didn't get recorded and I have some issues with the pour on here. So HoA suggested, since I have paint left, why don't I just pour it again and make it how I really like it. So that's what we're gonna do. It is still very, very wet. I thought about scraping the canvas and starting over, but actually it's thin and it's a perfect base coat on there. So we're just gonna leave it. So we're using some of these same colors. Let me show you what I've got real quick. I have some Golden's Payne's Gray here. Everything is mixed with mixed pour tonight. You can get your own mixed pour from Krista. Email her at krista8974@gmail.com. This one is a combination of Arteza's Viridian with a little bit of Pthalo Blue in it, and it's given us this really pretty bluish green, kind of turquoisey color, very similar to Golden's turquoise Pthalo. Very pretty. I also have Liquitex Basics Pthalo Blue right here. Beautiful color. This is actually one of my favorite colors, not fancy or anything, just plain old Pthalo Blue. I have some DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And I have some Iridescent Pearl from Golden mixed with a little bit of the Satin Enamel, DecoArt Satin Enamels in pure white. And last but not least, I have a little bit of Pearl Pistachio from Arteza, which is beautiful too. Okay, so what we're going to do, if I can get one cup, it'll be good. We're going to layer this cup and then we're going to do a straight pour across the canvas. So I'm going to start off with some Payne's Gray. And then I'm going to go into my Pistachio. And then we're going to use a little bit of the, no, we're going to go into the Viridian now. And a little bit of white, no, sorry, a little bit of gold. Bit of the Pthalo Blue and some pearl, and then back to the Payne's Gray again. A little bit thicker chunk of the Payne's. Now we're going to go Pistachio, Viridian, gold, Pthalo Blue, pearl, and paints. Alright, so this is still very, very wet. This does not need any additional base coat. It doesn't need any additional anything. So we're going to pour this in a straight, wandering straight pour, going from this corner all the way to that corner. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass.
I'm going to start over here. Okay, here we go. Cool. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of my Payne's Gray and I'm going to go along this edge. There's a little bit of a flow extender over there, and then I'm going to come along the sides as well. torch this. And now we're going to tilt it up. So we're going to take this down this way first. And just kind of walk it side to side a little bit to stretch it out evenly. Because I don't want one side moving more than the other. I want it to kind of move uniformly. Stretch out and go all the way down to that bottom corner. And go off that edge. Turn this around. I'm going to bring the weight of the paint back down. I'm going to kind of push some of this off in this direction. Take this back towards the center. Let that come off, and then we're going to come off this corner here. Just like that. Where'd that come from? And let this float back down just a little bit.
Doing the layer. Stop.
Think about that corner. I think we need to make that corner Payne's gray too, don't you?
kind of liking it, but no, I think you're right.
Yeah.
It's a little too solid and out of place.
Yeah. Oh, the remnant from the first pour, so. Killed off our Payne's gray, which is just fine. Alright. Alright, let's give this a torch and see what's happening. What's up with that corner over there? Is it just something about to slide off, or?
Yeah, it looks like there's a weird repair. It doesn't match.
Okay, I'm just going to put some of the Payne's gray on that corner too. Interesting. There's cells popping up through there. Alright, let me wipe my hands off. And then we're going to torch this. You like this or no?
I do.
You do? You always like the weird stuff. I'm just going to tip this up and see if we can get any of this to come off so that there's not too much paint left on that corner. Smooth itself out.
Saying nee 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 nee.
What?
Says the paint is saying nee 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 nee.
Okay, let's torch this now. I keep doing that. I wipe my hands to torch it and then I go touch it again. Okay.
It's weird, that thing sounds like a fighter jet taking off sometimes.
So we're starting to get a lot of cells popping up, and they're really, really pretty because they've got that gold around and some lines. It's really, really beautiful. I love this section over there with the Payne's gray behind it. Really, really pretty. This whole part is really beautiful too. And I like this corner, but I need to fix it again. I just touched it. But that's okay. No autopsy, no foul, right?
That's right.
Okay. So when I tell you guys I recommend that you always mix up a little bit extra paint, this is exactly why. Okay. Let's just fix that edge. That's good. Okay, this is looking pretty awesome. And I anticipate some more cells popping up through there, but I think they're going to look really, really pretty. I love the gold in here. I love that pistachio, and the Viridian is giving us that very turquoise part in the center with that pearl on either end of it is really, really pretty. And I love that like darker blue edge that's outlining everything. It's really awesome. So very underwater kind of cave. Deep water. What is it they say? Still waters run deep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this one's kind of cool. I will show you guys this one as try. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight, and bearing with me in my experiments and what will work and what won't work. And I think the thing that I'd like you guys to take away from this is, as long as your paint is wet, you're not done until you want to be done. So don't despair. It's just paint. Thanks for being here, guys. We'll see you real soon.